Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a quick revision on the sound of Y. Okay, Y has four sound. Let's see one by one. Y as in consonant, it makes Y sound. Yak, yoga. Y as long E, it makes E sound. Baby, party. Y as short I, it makes E sound. Gym, symbol. Y as long I, it makes I sound. Sky, mine. Now next is C and G has two sound. Okay, when C and G followed by A, O, U, it makes hard sound, that is K. C as K, like cap, cot, cup, and G as hard sound G, gas, got, gum. When C and G is followed by E, I, Y, then it makes soft sound, and that is S. Scent, circle, cycle. And G makes soft sound J, gel, giant, gym. Okay, and if you want to know more in details, you can go and watch in my YouTube channel. I have already mentioned this video in my YouTube channel. Thank you.